This video I will tell you that how to change profile picture on Threads. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Threads application, and then you have to go into your profile, and this will open up your Threads profile, and then you need to tap on edit profile option, and then tap on this image option here. Now it shows you two option. Okay, so you can basically add new image from here, or you can import your profile picture from Instagram. So I will just tap on new profile picture, and it will open up the gallery here as well, and I will just add this image here. Okay, so I will just tap on yes, okay here, and now you can see that I have just changed my Threads app basically profile picture. Okay, then you need to tap on done, and now our profile picture is changed. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.